Well, you know what time it is, y'all. We are back in the office for another episode of House Flipper. Flipping houses, houses flipping, 360s, 180s, 720s. I don't know. I don't know anymore. I try to know, but you know how that goes. You know that it doesn't go well. Anyway, got a couple of jobs done last episode. Oop, my microphone. It just face planted into my face. My headset slid. All right. Next job up on the list here. We have 14 pending emails. Walls to knock down from Anthony Gray. Mr. or Mrs. Recently, large rooms have become popular, which is proven by the fact that my neighbor and the neighbor of my neighbor knocked down several walls in their homes. Also, the neighbor of my neighbor of my neighbor and the neighbor of my neighbor and the neighbor of my neighbor. I lost count there for a second. I would also like to have several walls demolished in my house. The walls between the living room and the kitchen and corridor seem unnecessary. What is more, the neighbor from across the street painted the walls in her bedroom with a bright sky blue color, and I would also love to have the same. I believe that such a professional company will deal with my request at a very low cost without any problems. Best regards, Anthony Gray. Well, I'm professional, but when you're this professional, the price ain't always what you think it's gonna be. So, let's just get in here and start knocking some dang walls down. Whoa. Oh, okay. Uh, what walls? Okay, he wants okay, so we have living room, destroying walls in the living room. Let's go find the living room. That's a bathroom. We don't want destroyed walls there. Living room. Destroy walls. I think they're all the yellow ones. I think. Just start knocking them down, I guess. Yep, these are it. These are the walls. You know what I should do to make a little bit extra money? Give me that door. Give me that $128. That $128 is mine. Mine, you hear me? Man, doing a lot of demolition recently. Should we just be a demolition company? You think that would be cool? Get a big chunk of that wall out. Knock a big chunk of this wall out. Hasta luego. I'm pretty sure he wants all these out. All these yellow ones. And wait, I forgot to do one thing here. Give me your door. You're gonna sell me your door. The door is mine. Smack it a couple times in a couple different places and it comes right down. Boom. Open layout houses, though, they are really nice. I ain't gonna argue with them. Oh. This one's down. Bring the next one down, Johnny. We are just mauling these walls here. It's not gonna, I guess we need to move part of this then, huh? Wow, instead of part of it, we need to move like all of it. Get the couch over there. Get the couch over there. Boom. Everything must go. It's a clearance sale. Those are out. I'm guessing he wants all of these out as well. I'm standing in a really, really, really dangerous spot right here in real life. If it was real life. Don't tell OSHA. OSHA violations right here. There we go. All these walls are out. Give me just a second here. There we go. Get one more good whack right there. Apparently that needed an extra one, and we've got a little freestanding thing on here. Are all the walls out, or? Okay, so we got all the walls knocked down, and now we need to go into the... Wait. Now we have all the walls knocked down, and now we need to go into the bedroom. The one that's navy blue. And I think he wants this sleepy blue was the color. So I'm just going to go in here. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab a large can of paint. And we're going to grab that. Stop doing that. The thing doesn't like me sometimes. We're going to go ahead and soak it up. I think he wants the whole room now that I think about it. I'm only at 6% with a couple of walls here, so. It's a nice color blue, honestly. Instead of sleepy blue, it's really close to. I'm a big Memphis Grizzlies fan. It's really close to Beale Street blue. I think Beale Street's blue is a little bit lighter, but this right here, I would just leave it like it is. It's like the Memphis Grizzlies color palette right here. Ooh, another skill point. Let's see, 25% faster painting, 20% less paint usage. We're gonna go faster painting. We get the job done faster. Wonder if that means we could possibly get paid more money. Because we already have the upgrade where we're not wasting extra paint on walls that have already been painted, so... Let's get that corner. I've been really enjoying doing this series for you guys. Let me know if you guys enjoy this as well. I know it's been a hot minute since I've come out with a video, but I've been busy, so unfortunately YouTube cannot support my bills with the amount of subscribers and everything I have right now. So I would love to do content creation full time. I've thought about doing my own sports podcast. I would love to do that, honestly. We can technically complete the job right now. That'd be funny just to be like, oh, nope, we're done. You can paint the other half of the house yourself. Can I get under here with the paintbrush? Yes. I don't think I can get up top, though. That might not be. Nope, it's actually working. Might have to get another can of paint. That might be something that's in the cards here. That's all done. Slowly running out of paint for the wall. Home renovation. We're painting this thing Beale Street blue, aren't we? It's coming along nicely. It's gonna be a great looking light blue room here. Those are done. Are we gonna make it all the way around without having to move anything around? That would be awesome. I would love to get an upgrade where I can hold a little bit more paint in my brush instead of having to refill it as often as we are. Really good looking thing though. If I have to buy another like teensy tiny can of paint, I'm gonna be mad. Because we're almost out, but I'm hoping we have enough. I think we do. Yeah, we don't have much left. One more hit? Come on, baby. Give me one more. There we go. We are looking good. Let's go ahead and sell back this paint for $2.40. Got a nice little house there. Give me your door. Nice room. Look at this. It's all open layout. What is all this on the floor, though? I take it back. In fact, I will take it back. Is he literally just leaving them on the floor and not wanting me to just get rid of them? Okay. Little strange. But you do you, dude. You do you. Got a nice little open layout house here. It's looking good. Looking good. It's a nice open layout. Plenty of room to move around. Um, it's looking good. You walk in and you have a lot. What else is in here? There's another bedroom. There's another bedroom. That's the bedroom we painted. And then the bathroom's right there. We already know that. All right. We're going to close up shop and complete the job for $4,628. And there's one more thing I want to look at before we go. I want to look at properties, I think. Buyers. I don't think that's properties. How do I look at buildings? Because I know there was a... Okay, browser. There we go. So we already have, I think this is a camping bungalow. No, I don't think it is. We could buy a bungalow and fix it up, but I don't know if we want to do that. I don't know if we want the bungalow right away. I'm kind of thinking, wait until we get to the abandoned house, and it's gonna be one heck of a project, but I think we could make it look nice, you know, and things like that. Obviously, we have enough now to do it, but I don't think we will. And with that, on to the easy chair, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.